So good morning everyone. Today I am going to explain about the topic is logarithms. So in state syllabus students up to 9th class we don't know what is logarithm. So today I will explain what is the logarithm, what is the fundamental of logarithms. So first I am writing different types of examples. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 how many times repeated here? 4 times. So that's why I am writing here 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 2 how many times repeated? 4 times. So I am writing another example a into a into a. So a how many times repeated? 3 times. I am writing here a cube. And 7 into 7 into 7. 7 how many times repeated? 7 2 times repeated. So that's why I am writing here 7 square. So what we observed left side 2 how many times repeated? 4 times. So right side I wrote 2 power 4 and a how many times repeated? 3 times. I am writing the a cube and 7 how many times repeated? 2 times. So that's why I wrote 7 square. So we have to observe 2 power 4 a cube and 7 square right side and left side. The product of 2 how many times I wrote? 4 times. The product of a number with itself. So the left side is called product form. Because I am using is a 2 number between into symbol, that's why the 2 is always extending. This is called product form or expanding form. So we have to observe 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into another 2 into means how many times repeated? 5 times. 2 is extended, so that's why the left side is called product form or expanded form. So what we observed right side, this 2 is how many times repeated? 5 times. That's why I wrote 2 power 5 and a is how many times repeated? 3 times a cube and 7 is how many times repeated? 2 times 7 square. So this form is called exponential form. So students, already you learnt in 6th and 7th class what is exponential form. So exponential form is compulsory. The exponential form base is 2 and the power is 5. The base is a and power is 3 and the base is 7 and the power is 2. The right side is exponential form and the left side is product form or expanded form. So the same concept apply in logarithm topic. So the exponential form is very important in logarithms. So I am writing different types of exponential forms. So for example I am writing here 2 cube. What is the value of 2 cube? Means already students know 2 how many times repeated? 3 times. So I am writing here 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And 3 square, 3 how many times repeated? 3 times 3 3s are 9. So 2 cube value is 8 and 3 square value is 9 and 4 power 2 value is already students know 4 4s are 16. So I am asking you one question, 2 power x is equal to 16. Which value substitute in x place? You will get 16. So for example I am taking here, take x value is 1, substitute 1 in place of x. 2 power 1 is equal to 16? No. So substitute 2 square 4 is equal to 16? No. Substitute 3, 2 cube value how much? 8. 8 is not equal to 16. 2 and in x place I am substituting 4. 2 power 4 is 16. So students know easily calculate 2 power 4 is equal to 16 and 3 power x is equal to 81. What is the value of x? Substitute in x place I am writing here 4. 3 power 4 how much? 3 how many times? 4 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So easily calculate this type of problems. I am writing another example, 2 power x is equal to 7. Which value substitute in x place you will get 7? 1, 2, 3, negative and fraction, any value substitute in x place you will not get 7. Once you have to check one substitute here, 2 power how much? 2. 2 square, 4, 2 cube, 8, but 7 is missing. So I am writing another one, 3 power x is equal to 15. In x place of x you have to substitute in x value, any value you have to take, you will not get 15. Is correct or not? Any value 1, 2, 3, 4 and any value substitute in x place, you will not get 15. We have to observe here. I am taking these two example again. So 2 power x is equal to 7 and 3 power x is equal to 15. These two is don't know how to calculate. Compulsory you don't know. For example, substitute 1 or 2 or negative one fraction value, you will not get 7, you will not get 15. So solve these type of problems by using logarithms chapter. Very important. Solve these type of problems by using logarithms. So how to apply logarithms? How to calculate x value by using logarithms? For example, what we have to observe? These two in the form of a power x is equal to n form or not? A power x is equal to n, a power x is equal to n. These two are in the form or not? So this form is called exponential form. So we have to observe this is base, this is power. This is base, this is power. We have to observe these two are exponential forms. So this is exponential form. So I am writing here one formula and one important point right here. X is equal to log n to the base a. This is logarithmic form. So this is exponential form, this is logarithm form. Very important condition. The condition apply these two questions, you will get answer. For example, I am taking the first example, 2 power x is equal to 7. What is this form? Exponential form. Compare this, a power x is equal to n. Is correct or not? Observe this, a power x is equal to n. So what is x value? Again x. What is a value? 2. What is n value? 7. The values is substitute here right side. X is equal to log n means what? 7. What is a? Here a means what? 2. So x is equal to log 7 to the base 2. By using logarithm table, you will get x value. In higher classes, compulsory you have to use logarithm table. You will get x value. So that's why this type of problems you have to use logarithms lesson. Very important in student point of view up to 10th class. You will get x value by using logarithms. Very important. So for example, I am taking different types of logarithms or exponential forms. For example, 2 power 0, any power 0 is 1. Already we know that one condition is there, any number power 0 is 1 and x power 0 is equal to 1, 3 power 0 is equal to 1. So these three in the form of exponential forms. So a power x is equal to n. So a power x is equal to n, a power x is equal to n, a power x is equal to n. The exponential form is converted into logarithmic form. Logarithmic form already I explained just now. Log n to the base a. So observe here, compare here, 2 power 0 is equal to 1. So what is x value? 0, what is a value? 2, what is n value? 1. Already we know x, y, n and a value. Substitute here, x is equal to log, what is n value? 1. What is a value? 2. And same as x power 0 is equal to 1. So what is x? X and log, what is n value here? 1. What is the base? Compare this, x power 0 is equal to 1, right? X power 0 is equal to 1. What is a value here? X. So log 1 to the base x. And 3 power 0 is equal to 1. This is exponential form is converted into logarithmic form. Means what? Again x is equal to log 1 to the base 3. Listen here, this is in the form of a power x is equal to 1, a power x is equal to 1, a power x is equal to 1. So observe here, what is x value here? 0, right? So I am writing here 0. Again compare this, what is a power x here? X power 0. Compare this, what is x value? 0, write 0 in x place and write 0. What we have to observe? Log 1 to the base 2 value is 0, log 1 to the base x value is 0, log 1 to the base 3 value is 0. So what we have to observe? Logarithm of 1 to any base is answer is 0. For example, log 1 to the base 100, what is the answer? Is equal to 0. So already just now I explained what is the condition I proved here. Log 1 to any base, answer is 0. This is very important condition. The first condition, the logarithm of 1 to any base is 0. Go to next one. 2 square. What is the value of 2 square? 4. And what is the value of 3 square? 9. So 2 square and 3 square. For example, I am writing here 3 cube. What is the 3 cube is equal to 27? Is correct or not? So these two are in the form of a power x is equal to n form. Write logarithmic form x is equal to log n to the base a. Compare these two. 2 square is equal to 4. So what is x value? 2 log yes. Pause 2 square